Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. The PSL 2026 awards nominations has been announced. So here we'll only focus on the awards for the Betway Premiership. So here are the nominees. The DStv Diski Challenge Player of the Year, Lebo Motlhala from Orlando Pirates, Bennett Mokoena, Mamelodi Sundowns, Mpho Padime, Orlando Pirates. MTN 8 Last Man Standing nominees, Ozwina Police, Tshepang Moremi, and Kamogelo Sibilibili, all from Orlando Pirates. Carling Knockout Player of the Tournament nominees, Washington Arubi, Marumo Gallants, Mbekezeli Mbokazi, Orlando Pirates, and Ndabayithethwa Ndlondlo, Marumo Gallants. Nedbank Cup Most Promising Player of the Tournament, Kyle Jenkins, Durban City, Saluleko Mahlambi, TS Galaxy, Luphumlo Sifumba, Durban City FC. Nedbank Cup Player of the Tournament, Darren Kidd, Durban City, Spamandla Mcinana, Durban City, Brooklyn Pochempul, Durban City. Betway Premiership Goalkeeper of the Season, Sipho Chain, Orlando Pirates, Ricardo Goss, Welele FC, and Brandon Peterson, Kaizer Chiefs. Betway Premiership Defender of the Season, Khudiso Mndau, Mamelodi Sundowns, Lebone Siema, Orlando Pirates, Kosinathi Sibisi, Orlando Pirates. Betway Premiership Midfielder of the Season, Ozwina Police, Orlando Pirates, Relebohile Mofokeng, Orlando Pirates, and Teboho Mokoena, Mamelodi Sundowns. Betway Premiership Young Player of the Season, Isaac Cisse, Golden Arrows, Saluleko Mahlambi, TS Galaxy, and Relebohile Mofokeng, Orlando Pirates. Betway Premiership Players Player of the Season, Ozwina Police, Relebohile Mofokeng, and Kamogelo Sibilibili, all from Orlando Pirates. Betway Premiership Goal of the Season, Cameron Dansil against Mamelodi Sundowns, and Siyanda Ndlovu versus Stellenbosch FC. And finally, Dlodili Lepo versus Marumo Gallants. Betway Premiership Coach of the Season, Miguel Cardoso, Mamelodi Sundowns, Cedric Kaze and Khalil Ben Yusuf, Kaizer Chiefs, Abdeslam Owadu, Orlando Pirates. And the big award, PSL Footballer of the Season, Ozwina Police, Orlando Pirates, Relebohile Mofokeng, Orlando Pirates, and Teboho Mokoena, Mamelodi Sundowns. So do you agree with these nominations? Let me hear your thoughts down below. What do you think of this nomination? Whether you agree with them or not, and who are going to be the winners in each category. Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. See you next time.